Right, guys, today we're gonna look at automation. Automation is basically the automatic control of certain settings. Automation is applied all over the place. The one setting you're most familiar with is it happens every time at the end of a song, and that's called a fade out. So, in automation terms, you would automate volume on the master fade. Let me give you an example. We're here in Logic. Two ways to access automation information. One is by clicking the automation tab here at the top. Just click it and it opens a view. Click it again and close it. The other one, shortcut, again, always best to know your shortcuts, is pressing A. Yeah, okay, classic automation. Let's go to the top here. And you see volume right now is chosen as automation. Here you can see it says -2.6, and if you go into your channel strip, you can see it's at -2.6. So it's exactly there where you set it at. By clicking here on volume, you can go to all the different parameters that you can automate. So pan, you can send it left and right, limiter, compressor, that's all as you can see here, all the things that are on the channel strip that you can automate. Whereas your main stuff, volume, pan, solo, mute, bypass, and all that stuff. Right, the way I'll automate now, for a fade out, I'll go to the end, take the loop off, and zoom in. Get rid of this, bump. Right. See, this is my last bar. I want to fade out from here, and it's going to be gone by the end. By the time it reaches bar 9, where there's no information left. So I'm going to click one time here. It creates this dot here. Another time here at the end where I want it to die out. So two dots were created, and now I can automate in between them. All we need to do is click on this button again, the last one, drag it down. Solo it so you can hear what's going to happen. Take it from right. Do you hear how that automated? Well, it might not be the best example. Let me just show you here on the piano. Do the same thing. I'm just going to solo that, unsolo this. Again, here, one dot. Click another time at the end. Second dot. Pull the second note down. Let's hear it. Quite abrupt, but it's fading, right? Thing is now, we're not trying to fade one instrument, we're trying to fade the whole thing because it's a master fade, everything needs to go. So, it's a bit of programming involved. Go to the mixer view, you can either click on this tab here, which sends you into the mixer page, or you can click X and switch between mixer and arrangement. Let me just get rid of this automation here, so I'll just turn that off. And the piano, I'll just turn that off. So now that I turn it off here, even though there's automation information here, it's not going to do it because automation is turned off. Okay, just turn this up again. Let's turn this up again. It was 2.6, doesn't really matter the mix. Right now, master fade out. Go to the mixer, click on the master because that's when I want to fade out, and then go up here to options, click on options, create arrange tracks for selected channel strips. So I want this master channel to be part of the arrangement page so that I can automate it. Yeah, so back to the mixer, highlight the master channel, options, second options, create arrange tracks for selected channel strip. Oop. And now go back to your arrangement view, and there it is, the master fade. I'm just going to drag it down. Right, now open your automation, click A, and say I want to automate. I want a smooth fade out. Okay. So as you can see, I'm going to click a dot here, click a dot there, drag it down, and let's hear it. There is your master fade using automation. Obviously there's 100,000 applications that they can use automation for, but in this case, just to make you understand why we use automation and what it does and what the capabilities are of automation, fade out, master fade out is a great example. I hope you understood, and if not, ask me any questions.